Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r collection. So I'm really excited about this collection because it's actually the first things that I've got from Fenty, and like I love face products, so I'm really excited to try these out. So as you guys probably already know, she brought out a new setting powder and also a concealer. So I'm just going to open up these and show you what they look like. The concealer is supposed to be a instant retouch concealer, and I don't think it's a full coverage concealer, but I'll see once I apply it to my face. So that's what it looks like there. I really like the packaging for this. It's quite kind of simple looking, it's quite sleek, and it's quite fresh and clean looking. So I have the concealer in the shade 185, and I think this might be quite a good match for me, so I'm excited to try this out. And then I have the powder here, which I have in the shade Butter, because there is a banana one which a lot of people are going for, but when I looked at the shade it looks like it's too kind of yellow, so I decided to go with this one. And this one is between the lightest shade, which is Lavender, which actually I've seen a few people using that, and that actually looks quite a cool colour, to be honest. It has a purpley undertone to it, but it really brightens up the under eye. But anyway, I went for this one here, which is Butter, and this shade looks quite good. So it's not as kind of white or as purple as the Lavender shade, and it's not as yellow as the banana one, so this is sort of like in between. So I think this will be a good shade for my skin tone. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the concealer, and as you can see I've got my foundation on and also like my brows and my eye stuff, but I haven't got like bronze or anything on because obviously I'm going to be applying the concealer. So what I'm going to do with the concealer is apply it under my eyes in little kind of V shapes. That's where I normally apply concealer. I'm going to swatch the shade right here. So yeah, that looks like quite a good colour for me actually. I like my concealer to be a bit lighter than my foundation, just so that it sort of brightens and lifts my under eye as well as concealing them. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it. I think I'll just do this side first and see how it goes, because I don't know if this dries pretty quick or anything. I quite like the applicator actually. It's quite a kind of flexible applicator, which is good. So I like that. Now I'm just going to blend this in with my normal concealer brush, which is the Morphe M536 brush. Okay, so straight away I can tell that it's not a full coverage concealer, because I can see some of my redness still peeking through just right there, so I could probably go in with a little bit more. I normally like a full coverage concealer. My normal everyday concealer is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and that is a full coverage concealer, but I know for some people that is too much for an everyday basis, but for me that's what I really like on an everyday basis. So right away I can tell that this one's not as full coverage as that one. However, it's actually really brightening in the under eye, if you can see that there. I really do like the, you know, how bright it is, and the finish of it's actually really nice. It's very kind of flawless looking. Yeah, and it's not caking or clinging to any bits on my skin. So far I'm liking the finish of it, although it's not full coverage. So I think I'll add a little bit more just here, just to cover up the little red bits that I have there. Yeah, this is a really pretty concealer. I do like the finish of it, and I love how brightening it is. It's probably more brightening than my Too Faced one, so I'm liking that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other side now, but so far that is actually really nice. Like, it's not a matte concealer, which is good, because normally matte concealers dry pretty quick. You don't have a lot of time to work with them, but this one I don't think is matte, because like it feels super hydrating and gives you a lot of time to work with it, and as you can see it has a little bit of the kind of glow to it, which is nice. So as you can see, it's really brightening in the under eye area. Like it really lifts the eyes and makes it look like your face look more kind of like awake, which is really nice. I'm going to apply a little bit to my forehead here as well, and a little bit in my chin just to even out everything. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the setting powder, and I love the packaging for this, really pretty. And like I said, I have this in the shade Butter. This doesn't come with a kind of like a sieve that's built into it, but what I noticed in the actual box, it does come with a little kind of sieve thing, or kind of like stopper thing that you can put on top of like this bit, which is really good, so it means your powder's not going to fly everywhere. Okay, so I'm just going to pour some of this out into the cap. So I'm just going to do that much just now because I don't actually know how much of this I need to use. So I'm really excited about this because I love setting my under eye. Okay, so I'm just going to use this little brush here, or should I use this one? I'm just going to use this one, I think, to set it, because that's what that's a normal brush I use. Whoa. Okay, wow, this has a really, really lovely scent to it. Oh, that has a really nice scent. I love the smell of it. It's not like super fragrance, but it smells kind of like, I don't know, like a cookie or something. I don't know, it just smells really, really nice, guys. Oh my god, that is flawless. Wow. Oh my god, guys, that is actually so flawless in the under eye. Hopefully the camera's picking this up well, because like look at the difference. Like this is the side with the powder, and then look at that side there. This side just looks so much more flawless. Like what I have noticed though, as much as this looks really flawless, which is gorgeous, I have noticed that it's took away the kind of glowiness, if you know what I mean, the kind of dewy look. But I still really love it though. Like, it's so pretty. Just love how flawless it makes the under eye look. Like, literally looks airbrushed. Like, it doesn't cling to the concealer at all. So pretty, and I love the shade. The shade is perfect. Oh, I'm so happy with this. So now what I'm going to do is just apply the rest of my face makeup just now. So yeah, like I said, guys, it comes with this extra little sieve bit here, which you can just pop on like that, you know, and it has this wee lever thing here, which is super easy to remove. So yeah, I like that. Okay guys, so that's me applied all the rest of my makeup, and this concealer and setting powder is looking so flawless. Like, it really is so nice. Like, it's so smooth, like the powder is so smooth. It doesn't cling to the concealer underneath. Like, the concealer is such a lovely concealer. It's quite like a jelly kind of formula when you apply it. Very liquidy, so it gives you a lot of time to work with it and blend it in. It's not super full coverage, however I think it's a great coverage concealer, you know. I only had to apply a teeny bit more just right here to cover a little bit of redness I have. I just love the kind of glowiness that the concealer gives without the powder. Like, of course when I applied the powder on top, you know, it sort of like dulled the the dewiness of the concealer, but like everything still looks really nice and brightening under the eye. It feels very hydrating as well, and this powder is just absolutely gorgeous. I love like the finish of this. I love that it doesn't like stick or clunk up into the concealer. It does come with a little extra cap here which saves your powder going all into the lid so it doesn't burst everywhere when you open it, so that's good. I love the smell of it. It's really nice, but it's not over like powering the scent. I love the shade of this one. It is the shade Butter. So if you're quite light to medium skin tone and you want your powder to kind of brighten your under eye, then I would say go for Butter, because I think the banana one is a bit too yellow, and also the lavender one will be too white for kind of light to medium skin tones or medium kind of skin tones. So yeah, if you're very fair, then I would say go for the lavender shade, but if you're kind of like my skin tone, like light to medium, then I would say Butter is a really good shade. Yeah, I really do love this. I think it's gorgeous. It looks super flawless and super airbrushed under the eyes. You know, it really doesn't emphasize any pores or anything like that, which is really good. It just smooths everything out. So I really do love this. I think I'll be using this a lot. No, I know for a fact I'll be using this a lot. Love it. Love the concealer as well. Super hydrating under the eyes. Great coverage. So love this. That is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this review. Do let me know what you think about Rihanna's new collection down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you really did like this video, then remember to give it the big thumbs up and just hit the subscribe button down below if you're brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye. Mwah.